We live in a smart world, and it's getting smarter every day. The Internet of Things has entered the world of manufacturing, bringing with it countless new data points and opening the door to greater operational and economic efficiency. Unfortunately, we're collecting data faster than we can analyze it. Why? Because it's difficult to manage computing at the edge, where resources are scarce. That is, until now. Introducing ztC Edge from Stratus, a zero-touch, virtualized, self-protecting computing platform specifically designed for industrial edge environments. Its compact, rugged design gets computing out of your data center and closer to the data on your factory floor. More power at the edge means more machine uptime, faster decision-making, and more profitability. Enterprise technology retooled for industrial environments is cumbersome and complex and requires continuous attention from your IT staff. With a built-in virtualization platform and availability layer, ztC Edge is easy to deploy, manage, and service. It can be installed in as little as 30 minutes and can be updated while the system is running. No rebooting means less downtime. ztC Edge can help keep your shop humming without interruption. ztC Edge sets a new standard for reliability. Comprised of redundant nodes acting as a single system, ztC Edge continually evaluates its health and performance. If it detects a potential CPU, memory, or disk failure, ztC Edge proactively moves workloads from one node to the other, ensuring application and data continuity. And for clients who require an additional layer of assurance, Stratus offers cloud-based system health monitoring and management services. ztC Edge can be configured to send system logs to Stratus over a secure network. Stratus will analyze and triage alerts to predict failures before they occur, helping ensure your edge applications are always running. Reliable, rugged, efficient, easy to deploy, manage, and service. ztC Edge from Stratus redefines computing at the edge. Contact our qualified team to request a quote and join the future of edge computing today.